Hi friends, welcome to Q for Quality channel.
Control charts are graphical tools used to monitor if a process operates within set control limits and detect variations. Control charts help monitor if a process is operating within control limits by graphically representing process data. Control charts are used to detect variations in the process and verify that the process remains stable within limits. Control charts are applied during production monitoring, Six Sigma projects, and to confirm if processes are controlled. Control charts are widely used across manufacturing industries and service sectors including healthcare. Various roles including QA and QC engineers, production supervisors, and project personnel use control charts. Using control charts involves collecting process data, plotting charts such as IMR or C-chart, and calculating control limits. Control charts are mainly divided into variable and attribute types depending on the data characteristics. Variable control charts include IMR for single subgroups, X-bar R for subgroups of 2 to 8, and X-bar S for over 8. Attribute control charts track defects or defectives using fixed or variable sample sizes with charts like C-chart and U-chart. Key variable control charts include IMR for subgroup 1, X-bar R for subgroups 2 to 8, and X-bar S for groups larger than 8. Examples of attribute charts include C-chart for fixed sample defects, U-chart for variable sample defects, and NP and P-charts for defective counts. Using control charts facilitates continuous quality improvement through real-time process monitoring.